Oh, it's FragWatch here with two WLMouse. Here we go. I'm going to unbox these. Looking forward to it. Let me get this bad boy out of the way. Here we go. I'm going to try not to flip over these boxes because I'm going to dress this on the other side. Alright, we're going to drag this off. It's the box they come in, by the way. Pretty cool box here. Alright, we got in here skates, lots of dot skates, skates, or we got, skates, more skates, and cool grips. Look at that. Look at these grips. You can raise those up. Those are cool. Oh, man, my white balance is coming in. There we go. Getting some reflections off the plastic. Okay, that's neat. I'm liking that. Let's get these cheap plastic baggies off. Oh my gosh, these feel like I'm getting deli meat or something. Holy crap. Get that out of here. Alright, we got these boxes. Meow. Meow. Hopefully these aren't as bad as the angry Meow Infinity Mouse. I don't think they will be. These are going to kick ass. I'm very excited. Alright. Wow. It opens up like that. We get a anime girl with a ton of cats. Is this like a postcard? What is this? Yeah, it's their postcard. Ooh, damn. Woo, wow. Wow. Ooh. Oh, watch out, HTR. Oh, shit. Man, that feels good. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Oh, we are excited. Oh, look, it pulled 3 of the skate tabs off for me. How wonderful. Let's get that last one off so I can feel how excellent this thing is. Oh, man. Oh, shit. I'm excited. Let's look at the dongle first. It's a cat. My lights are way too bright. I'm sorry. This thing is purple and blue. Hard to tell. Let me see if I can hold it over here. You can see the hues of blue and the pink. It's a cat, just like most of the WL mice, all their older ones. And we got a little cat dongle here for the mini dongle. Is there anything underneath here? Nope, just a cutout for this. Oh yeah, there is. FragWatch, what are you doing? It's in here. I'm guessing this is a cord. That'd be cool if this was. Oh my God, it is. Whoa, above and beyond. Cool. It's got the same shimmery, like, man, that's cool. Oh, that's awesome. I like that. Sorry, I got my lights calibrated here for cloudy days, where this room's a lot darker. So everything's appearing white, especially my hand cam. So I do apologize about that. All right, and in here we have wet wipes. We've got more skates. Oh, and 2 styles of grips. Look at that. Those are pretty cool. Damn, those are really cool. Okay, we're going to keep those in mind. I might have to put those on. Those are sweet. Okay, so let's box this one back up. I got another colorway that I want to see. All right. Back in there. Trash over there. Oh. This is felt, by the way. This is like felt. This top. This is like inlaid. Very cool. Very cool. Okay. Cool pack. Oh, shiza. Oh, wow. Oh, I can do full fingertip grip on this, or I can grip it further up, and I can get a hot grip going on. Oh, man. That's really exciting. Okay. I had a guy the other day in stream tell me that I didn't invent the term hot grip. I just chuckled, and I was like, boy, must suck to be you. All right, here we go. Oh, shimmer, shimmer, dew. Man, which one? Oh, man, this is like pure blue? Did I order pure blue? I don't know. Here we go. It's shimmery, man. It's very shimmery. I also have the ying coming from these guys. God, if that came today, I'd lose my mind. See if I can get all 4. Ooh, none. 0 with this one. Okay. I'll not eat up all y'all's time with this. One of my kids is going to be like hounding for these. I'm going to put this one back so it can stay nice and pristine. Oh, man. Cool stuff. All right. FragWatch is very, very excited for not the Angry Mouse, for the WLMouse Miao. The Miao. Wow, wow, wow. Miao. Wow, wow, wow. Miao. Wow, wow, wow. Miao. Thanks for watching. FragWatch out.